Clear that the sham exercise has been concluded.
Breaking news. Honorable Nsereko aganiddwa okwesimbawo akukulumidde Electoral Commission. Kakati ono agamba nti yandegatta ku Kyagulanyi. Tusooka commenting awo ajje etajja. Wabula ajjukirwa nnyo mu bamu ku babadde basinga okuba Bobi Wine mu kisanja kino bamuganye, kitegeeza nti ba candidate Electoral Commission ekkirizaako mukaaga bokka nga Bobi Wine olunaku olwaleero His Excellency President addako nga bwakakasizza gwe basembyeyo okuwafulaga. Sooka commenting awo Nsereko ajja ku nuupu yegatteko anoonyeze ne Bobi Wine akalulu oba nedda nkusaba soko lakinge soko kashiyalinge katambuli.
And that they have come to one. Yes, congratulations for the beginning of a journey to go through a shambolic process. At the end we'll be back all on square one. You'll be saying the message that we are saying today. I was not here in the morning, but fellow colleagues have told me what transpired, and I'll wait for them to talk about it. We submitted signatures again, as had been requested yesterday, and they told us about verification, and the verification was not done. It's clear what they wanted was not signatures. The signatures was to be used as something, as a facade, as a deception note, in order to have an explanation to the public. If it were academic requirements, we all had them. If it was the financial muscle to pay the 20 million shillings, the people had contributed. But the incumbent had to decide who to contest with. And those that favored or that matched his credentials, most of them have been nominated. Now, this is a betrayal to democracy. Democracy refers to the will of the people, and that our constitution is clear. Those that have a minimum of A level and those that can pay can be nominated to be presidential candidates. This injustice has started here. You'll wait for it at parliamentary level. Those of you that are there, you'll smile about it. But this will be manifested even in the transmission of results. Just wait for it. All the candidates that have been nominated are not privy to the biometric voter verification machines. The sort of technology that they are using in the dark rooms there to verify signatures and give bogus answers will be used to give you bogus results. So just prepare yourselves and tighten your belts for what is to come. To my fellow aspirants, your aspirations are not dead. The country is still alive. And for those of you that believed in all of us, in our diversity, our ideas are still alive and kicking. They will not kill the ideas. You might incarcerate the child. You might try to even tear the papers. You even try to stop us from being on the ballot paper. But people who believe in us will even...
However much any economy anywhere on this planet grows, if the population to whom that economy is supposed to serve is broken, then you wonder, where is your focus? Because we have seen countries that have got roads better than we have. More kilometers of tarmac roads, more capacity in terms of power generation and distribution, better cities, water systems that supply all citizens in the country, better educational systems, strong armies, but they all broke down. You can check them out. They are there. Libya is the best example here on this continent. Country like Zimbabwe, Ivory Coast in West Africa. When you focus on the things which are seen by the eye, and you don't focus on how to develop the people to whom these things are supposed to serve, you're focusing on the wrong direction. And that's why we'd like to ask the Ugandan people to retire General Museveni this time around in a peaceful way. Because he cannot take this country any further beyond where we are now. Every moment he stays in office, the country is going to get deeper and deeper into problems. Why so? Because if you have got citizens who have reached a point to ask for money, even when they are going to put a signature on nomination of a candidate who is supposed to go and help them get out of their problems, you know there's a problem in that country.
Secondly, you are to obtain the commission with a schedule of your campaign meetings and media program as soon as practicable, so as to facilitate the smooth harmonization of all the candidates' campaign programs countrywide before you embark on your campaign schedule, which officially begins on 29th of September. You also to sign a memorandum of understanding with the Electoral Commission on compliance with the harmonized campaign program, timelines, and guidelines. Although the campaigns kick off on 29th, however, you are delivered today to meet your supporters since we will not allow them to hold them in here at a designated place, either to roll out your manifesto or greet your supporters. You are delivered to do that. The commission is also required upon nomination to avail you a soft copy of the voters register, the national voters register. We have the soft copy here. I ask your agent to come and take it. Furthermore, under Section 23 of the Presidential Elections Act, the Commission is required to ensure that the relevant organs of the state provide you, during the entire campaign period, the protection, both on the road, on the campaign trail, or not even the campaign trail, wherever you want to go, and also at home. To that extent, therefore, we are going to hand over to you the security vehicle, together with the security personnel, will be guiding you at all times. The vehicle is at all cost. The fuel, the driver, the guards protecting you are all at all costs, even the maintenance of the vehicle. Thereafter, we have a media tent. You may want to